In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add form fields in Mailerlite. To get started, log into your Mailerlite account and head to the dashboard. From there, go to the Forms section, since that's where you'll manage the form you want to update. Once you're inside Forms, open the specific form you want to edit. This is important because any changes you make will apply directly to that form. After opening the form, click Edit to launch the form editor. This is the area where you can adjust the structure and content of your form. To begin adding a new field, click on an existing field, such as the email field or any other field already on the form. Selecting a current field helps bring up the editing options you'll need in the sidebar. In the sidebar, click Add Field. Mailerlite will then show you the available field options you can insert into the form. Choose the field you want to add based on the type of information you want to collect. For example, you may want to gather a first name, last name, company name, or another custom detail depending on your form's purpose. Once the field has been added, take a moment to customize it. You can update the label so it clearly tells visitors what information to enter, and you can also edit the sample text or placeholder text if that option is available. This helps make the form more user-friendly and can improve completion rates because the instructions are clearer. If you need more than one new field, simply repeat the same process. Click an existing field again, choose Add Field from the sidebar, and select the next field you want to include. You can continue doing this until your form contains all the fields you need. If the fields aren't in the right order, Mailerlite makes that easy to fix. Look for the 3 horizontal lines next to a field, then click and hold that handle to drag the field up or down. Reordering fields can make the form flow better and create a more natural experience for people filling it out. When you're done adding and arranging your fields, click Next or Save to keep your changes. Before finishing, it's a good idea to quickly review the form and make sure the labels, field order, and overall layout look correct. That way, your updated form is ready to use and collects exactly the information you need.